Hey everyone, it's your girl Nunu. I'm hoping everybody's having a fantastic morning, afternoon, evening, wherever time you guys are viewing me. I'm hoping that your day's going fantabulous. Y'all, I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. I did not want to come on right now. I didn't. And the reason why is because of this right here. And I totally forgot, y'all. I'm like, yeah, I did my video I did 2 videos already. And by time it's time for me to do my Tuesday video. Yeah, I said by time it's time for me to do my Tuesday's video, my hair is already going to be done. And it's going to be done with the boho braids like I wanted. No. My hair, I actually did it the right way this time, y'all. So I got the real hair, so I paid the money. And I'm excited to get it done. My daughter does it, so she does it on other people's hair, so she's definitely doing it on my hair. But y'all, I don't get the hair until Friday. And I'm like, what the hell? So I have to come on like this. And I'm like, it's okay. You can judge me if you have to. I understand because I'm looking a hot mess and I wasn't planning on going nowhere. So when we discussed taking the rest of that wig off of my head, I was cool with it. Because I was like, it's not like I'm going anywhere, so nobody gonna see me out looking like this. And then I thought about it. Girl, you do social media. What the hell? So, yeah, that didn't work out as planned. But it's okay. Also, y'all, I did my nails. You can check these out on Nails by Nunu, my other channel. And so, yeah. So, right now, y'all, I am hungry. I'm about to fix me something to eat. I already fixed hubby something to eat. So, now, like, as I was fixing his, I was like, you know what? I'm not really hungry. But now, I'm hungry. So, I'm about to fix me something to eat. I don't know if I want to fix me a cheesesteak or, yeah, I'm going to fix me a cheesesteak, y'all. So, I'm going to take y'all in there with me as I fix me a cheesesteak. There's nothing really going on too much today. It was just nasty out. It was pouring down raining all day today. And I'm just watching movies. And y'all, I be watching that new thing that they be showing, that new program, whatever, on Lifetime Movie Network, Element. It's only on for like between 35-40 minutes, but it's on YouTube. So, because I don't watch the regular cable channels. I mean, I could if I want to, but we was without the cable channels for so long that now that I can watch it, I still don't watch it. I just watch YouTube all day long. And whatever shows I want to watch, I just watch on YouTube and I'm able to fast forward it. But it's like a hashtag. What's it called? Hashtag text me when you get home. And it's so crazy because they really made a show like this. And it's true. It's true stories. And how many of us been saying that? Like, either, you know, text me when you get home. Do I know you got home okay? Or call me when you get home so I know you got home okay. Well, they got a show now, and I think it's Ashley Judd. She's like the narrator of it. It's pretty good, y'all. Y'all should watch it. And I'm like really into certain things like that. I like crime shows. I like action shows. I always say I like horror, but I really don't. But I'll be the first one to say, "Ooh, I like horror, y'all." No, I don't. I wrote a horror book, y'all, and scared myself off my own book. That's deep, right? So anyway, I'm doing too much of this. Let's go in the kitchen and fix fix me a cheesesteak. Oh, y'all, and then my counters, y'all, I showed before in a video. I don't know if it's still up because it was muted, so I think I took that video down. But my countertop is this peel and stick countertop, so it's due now to be redone. So I just ordered some more of those, and it lasted me for years. I want to say that it's been on my countertops now for 4 to 5 years. And yeah, and it's still a lot of sections of it that don't look bad, but I'm ready for a change, so I just ordered that. Also, my cabinet that y'all see, I don't really hide it on there, is broken. And the reason why it's broken is because we broke it off because we trying to make that drawer into like a trash can drawer, because we got Cujo, and Cujo's always going inside the trash, and he's always making a big mess for me to have to clean up. So yeah, that being said, we're supposed to be going to Home Depot to see if we can get the things for the size so we can have it so it can roll in and roll out. So yeah, I can't wait till that is done, y'all, because I'm so tired of really showing it on my videos and not being able to hide it because of what I'm trying to show y'all on my videos. So come on, let's go fix me a cheesesteak. Also, y'all, y'all know the pink drink from, what's it called, Starbucks? I'm about to make me one of those as well. So let me get all the ingredients and I'll be right back. So I'm gonna use my glass. These are not the strawberries I asked to be picked up at Walmart, but these was the only ones they said they had. And I don't think I want the chocolate, but I'm just gonna put a couple of them in there. One, that's good enough. I didn't want the chocolate one, but this is white cranberry with strawberry. This is sweetened condensed coconut milk. I like to stir it till that dissolves. not the prettiest. When I say I'm hot, I am hot, y'all. So I got the onion. Sorry for the talking in the background, y'all. Y'all know the deal. Hubby work from home. So, and I'm in the kitchen, so. Alright, so. Let's like some onions. There's so much onions I want on my cheesesteak. Can y'all see that? Ooh. I'm hot. Hot, hot, hot. So I'm just gonna cut that up like that. Like that. I'm not trying to dice it, I'm just trying to cut it up a little bit smaller than what it was. So I got that. The jalapenos. I'm gonna take the jalapenos. I love jalapenos, y'all. I love them. Like, seriously, love them. I'm gonna put my pot right back on the stove now because I want my pot to be hot. So I'm cutting up the jalapeno. I'm kind of dicing the jalapenos though because I want the jalapenos to be throughout the whole steak. So yeah, I'm cutting them up small. And that gives you the taste of the jalapeno throughout the whole sandwich. So like wherever there's steak, there's gonna be a jalapeno. So if you don't like hot stuff like that, do not do it this way because I'm telling you it's going to be extremely hot. And especially be laid on jalapeno. So I mix them up like that. And now what I'm going to do. Alright, my pot is hot. So I'm going to grab this. Put that in the pan. Don't mind this stuff. Dee Dee got to do that, y'all. She just got finished using it. So I want to make sure this is all written. So I'm going to just leave that the way it is right now. Put my lid on it. Put that on there like that. Now while that's doing what it's doing, I grab the plate and what I'm going to do is take this out. Put my roll on top of it. Like that. I know she's surprised I'm doing a video with my hair looking like this, y'all. Because it's just out of the norm. I'm going to take the mayo. Put some mayo on top of this. Not too much, but enough for me. So, yeah, Dee Dee bought this mayonnaise. I like Duke's, y'all. I like Duke's mayonnaise. I could not think of the name of the mayonnaise I use. I don't know why. But, yeah. So, my bread is all layered out. Like that. Take my spoon. So, take this. I'm gonna add my pepper. I'm gonna add this garlic and herb seasoning. turn my fire way down. I'm gonna add the cheese. I like putting them on like this way instead of this way. This is only if you like extra cheese, y'all. I like extra cheese. Okay. And then let some heat comes up to the cheese. And y'all, I like to clean as I go, because once I sit down and start eating, I'm not gonna want to come back and do the dishes and stuff. I'm just not gonna do it. So while I'm letting that melt a little bit, I'm moving my sink. I got my sponge. All right, now that the dishes is done, I turn off the fire. And I'm gonna take my roll and place it on top like this. And that's the way I've been fixing it for everybody, and they love it. All right, y'all, I'm gonna have to find me a Band-Aid soon. Look at this, y'all. Why? Because of this. The little bow that broke cut my finger. Go figure. So now I'm gonna take my bowl, my plate, put it on top of that, and I'm gonna flip it like that. Look at that. Look at that. That looks so good. So, ooh. And you have it. Nunu's cheesesteak. All right, y'all. So I came inside the room to clean this, which I did, and it burnt like hell because I just poured alcohol on it. I thought we had Band-Aids, but we don't got no more Band-Aids because, yeah, when you got grandkids, when you got children, period, you know, who loves Band-Aids, you tend to run out of them. So I'm like, how are we out of Band-Aids? But yeah, we out of Band-Aids. So I'm just gonna, I just cleaned it. So I'm gonna see if I can find the Neosporin. Hold on. All right, y'all, so I found the Neosporin, but before I even do that, I want to clip this off now, because now that I know that it can cut me. So let's clip. That was easy. I thought it was gonna give me some problems, but it didn't. So this is it. Piece of the bow. So again, I already cleaned up that spot. I've been very careful not to touch it. So this is the Neosporin. Well, it's the fake Neosporin. It's the triple action. But trust me, it works the same. Oh my gosh. So yeah. So, all right, y'all. So let me eat my sandwich now, which I'm probably going to eat with a fork, so I don't touch this. All right, y'all. So I decided to take a bite with y'all, and then I'm going to sit down and just relax. So y'all see that? That's why I like to use that. My finger hurts now. This is so good. After I bite, I could taste the onions. I could taste the hot peppers. Ooh, can I take that? Yeah. I don't eat mine the way everybody else eat theirs. Everybody would be good with theirs, but ketchup on it and all that other stuff. I use ranch on the side, and I dip my cheesesteak into the ranch. Weird, but don't knock it until you try it. But yeah, so like I said, I'm gonna go in there. I'm going there and eat, and watch the rest of those. Text me when you're home. Oh, that's so good. Text me when you're home. And yeah, so y'all didn't have to watch me. I appreciate that y'all did. I would like to thank all of my subscribers, whether you've been here for a while, if you're new, if you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, leave me a comment, and yeah, I will see y'all in the next video. In the next video, y'all, I promise I would not be looking like this. I would not be looking like this. But yeah, peace.